Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Clarity maintenance minder. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the menu button on your steering wheel. Then, use the selector to navigate through the display options until you reach the maintenance screen. This is your starting point for the reset process. Once on the maintenance screen, you'll need to select Maintenance Info. Use the selector buttons on your steering wheel to highlight this option. After it's highlighted, press the source or enter button to confirm your selection. This action will bring up a detailed list of all the maintenance items your Honda Clarity is currently tracking, such as oil life or tire rotation. Now, from the list of maintenance items, highlight the specific one you wish to reset. For example, if you just changed your oil, select Oil Life. With the item highlighted, press and hold the source or enter button for approximately 10 seconds. Keep holding until a confirmation message appears on your display, indicating that the system is ready to reset. After the confirmation message appears, you will typically see an option to reset. Use your selector buttons to highlight this reset option. Once highlighted, press the source or enter button one final time to confirm your choice. Congratulations! The maintenance minder for that specific item on your Honda Clarity is now successfully reset, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.